Because they already know it recruiter. It's like, let's wait until the window closes and they see us just start moving. Because like, well, I want to see how close we're going to get before we start firing. Kind of like, don't be the very local. Just like keep your eye on each of them because if they want to go to spots on large spots, chances are they're going to get to you before.
Foxtrot 406, this is Hog 01. Call contact, over.
Solid copy, Hog 01. Visual contact made, stand by.
Copy, stand by.
Solid copy, visual contact made. Hog 01, can I get you to see what the position is on 2180?
Copy, Hog 01 coming in for a closer look. Stand by 76180.
Solid copy, Hog 01, 76180.
Foxtrot 406, you are, from an estimate from looking down at that position, I want to say you're at least 500 meters from the enemy's position. I've hold your position. Are you ready for me to attack 180?
Affirmative, Hog 01. Attack 180.
Copy that. Inbound, setting up 1, 2, 7, 4. Hog 01 repositioning 285. Hog 01 in hot.
You are clear hot, go hot.
Foxtrot 406, can you confirm good hits?
Affirmative. Repeat. I say again, repeat.
Solid copy. Coming in for run number 2 at 3875. Stand by.
Copy that. Hog 01, Foxtrot 46, stand by.
Hog 01 in hot.
Hog 01, clear hot, go hot.
Can you confirm good hits, Foxtrot 406?
Solid copy, Hog 01, great